Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Lolly and Marky Show. Today we're carrying on our adventure across Nevada and through California, and we're about to hit one of the most spectacular parts of our trip. So hopefully you've caught up and you've watched all our previous vlogs. If not, where have you been? Go back, check them out. Make sure you've got liked, subscribed, and that little notification button pressed for future vlogs. So we've just left Gardnerville after a quick stop at Walmart. Go back and watch that. That's an amazing vlog. What a strange place Walmart is in America. Before we get back on the road, we're heading up and over the mountains towards one of the most beautiful places in California and Nevada, Lake Tahoe. We've got just one night here and we're staying at the Jeffrey Hotel, so we'll show you around. And then in other vlogs, we're going to explore the lake, have a wander through town, and as always, we'll track down somewhere nice to eat, and you won't want to miss that. It is quite spectacular. So things don't always go to plan, so who knows what else we'll get up to. We're in bear country. What else do we need to say? So grab yourself a drink, get comfy, and come along with us as we discover everything Lake Tahoe has to offer. So guys, this is Lake Tahoe. This is the drive from the main road to our hotel, the Jeffrey Hotel. Nice, beautiful golf course by the side of us. And the lake is just to the right. And it's massive compared to where else we stayed. Bloody pine cones on there. So, and about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know what we've just done?
Go past it.
No, we just drove through the
Pine Lodge. Oh.
California. We've left Nevada and we're now in California. Right, so this is our street. We are somewhere up here on the left.
Looks a bit crap here.
It's not crest at all, are we? The Shamrock, Coachman Hotel, flashing down as well. Walk there.
This looks weird. Not as pretty,
Oh,
is
there it
it?
is, the Jeffrey Hotel. Right, so there's the Jeffrey Hotel.
Ooh.
We'll just park here. Here we are at the Jeffrey Hotel here in Lake Tahoe, which is very wet and miserable today. We're in room 18. I won't show you the code. Oh, hang on.
What's that? Oh. Oh, hang on. Not letting me in. 4, 2, 3. Let me get to the side.
Okay, let's try again. Right, I think we've sussed it now. Oh, we're in.
Oh.
We're in.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Well, this is very nice, isn't it?
Oh, so cosy. And there we are again.
Yeah.
In bear country. We've only been here 2 minutes. I've just seen a squirrel about that big, not like the UK ones. Oh, it's lovely. We've got a proper fire.
Oh, we love the fires.
With logs.
Wow.
Although I don't think it takes logs.
No.
It's only a small room.
Yeah.
It's got everything. Massive telly behind you.
Wow, yeah.
Lots of storage. I'm loving the decor.
You like all that, do
I
you?
love the decor because it's different from the UK. I love the way they have their little quirky things.
Do you like the bear?
We've got like the same back at home. So we've got the
Oh,
porch by the bed.
Brilliant.
We've got them at home. Yeah, lovely bear cushion.
Yeah.
Pillows and beds look lovely.
I was nearly going to say they've given us an iPhone, but that's my phone, isn't it? So they're good. Oh, hang on.
You have to just go there yourself. It's just little.
Oh, yeah. But there's enough there. There's the...
Yeah.
What size a fan up there as well, the iron?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm loving the fire. I hope it's as easy as the one
In the last one.
place, yeah.
I don't know.
Welcome.
Oh.
I'm loving this.
Good.
Oh,
Dressing?
they're not robes.
No.
No, they've just done them all.
Well,
I love these. Like the mums, isn't it?
got makeup.
Makeup, black one.
Yeah.
I never ever use my own, bring my own, so I'm always frightened to get makeup on theirs, but they've supplied ones, that's good. A nice big shower, you've got hands and soap.
Yeah.
You've got a shower curtain, that seems to be the standard.
Yeah, standard.
But the shower faucet actually comes off, which is good for me, because I don't want to wash my
Yeah.
hair.
Good.
Because I never bring a shower cap, and I should do, because I always forget.
Do you want to check what's by the toilet?
By the toilet? Oh, I don't know.
Go.
Oh, and every bloody one. It's the
Plunger!
plunger!
So you got a full length mirror here. You got a microwave, a fridge. What have we got in the fridge? Nothing. There won't be anything in these drawers. No. Oh, a Bible. You know, coffee machines,
Oh,
some plates.
Cutlery. A lot of people must do takeout then.
Yeah. Well, those.
Drink coffee.
Oh, lovely.
Do stuff regular.
I'll do me.
That's cool, isn't it? It's different.
Do you want to
Should
check
we do the bed?
bed?
I'll just do this first. Oh,
Ooh, nice.
right, okay. The linen's lovely again. We've not been let down by the linen. Oh, did you have these? They all have these quilt covers that don't that. It's just like that and then a quilt, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't get tangled up in them. We've got one of them, and we've got a mattress encasement.
Have we?
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant.
Full mattress encasement.
Like a mattress top of that as well, isn't it?
Good, yeah, so spongy. It's like a big tray.
Yeah.
Oh, we do one of the
Do you know what, if it's dog friendly, is that for that?
I wonder.
Yeah. Well, right, okay then, ladies and gentlemen. That's our room for the night. I'm very happy we are with it.
We certainly are. So come along with us on our jollies, like, subscribe, press that notification button, and Mark is like this with his finger. You rushing me?
No.
And we're back in bear country. Marky's my big teddy bear. Bye.
Bye. Mooch around, and I've managed to work out how to put the fire on, and there's a little button there, little lever, and it's lovely. Fabulous, more than happy. There's a tree in the corner as well. Yep, that's it.
We have to go bear hunting.
Yeah. So, all the beers in there now. Water, everything's there. I'm going to go and have a wee. Catch you later. Oh, there we go. Good morning.
Morning.
So, we're just checking out of Lake Tahoe. This is the Jeffrey Hotel. It was, I think this was £77 for the night. And Lake Tahoe, South Lake Tahoe, I should say, has been brilliant. Totally different to what we expected. We've been a bit of a got up early this morning, went to try and look for some bears, but we didn't find any.
Coyotes, mountain lions. We know they're out there. We just couldn't find any.
That's it. So what do you think of the accommodation then for that price?
The accommodation has been amazing. The bed was so comfy. Bed linen was lovely. Pillows were soft, fluffy, bouncy. Big fire, absolutely spotlessly clean. I would 100% return to the Jeffrey Hotel.
And what do you think of South Lakes?
South Lake, oh my God, it's just beautiful. It's bigger, a lot bigger than we thought. And there's multiple casinos here as well. But you are right in the forest. And it's like Christmas, isn't it?
It's just stunning. It's beautiful. I say it's just, I can't say it any better than what Lala has. It's been brilliant. Booking.com, we got this on 77 for a one night stay. It's room only. The fire makes it, I think. Bed was dead comfy.
Yeah. It's just so cozy, quiet, lovely. Oh, within minutes you're out in the forest, or within seconds you can be in a casino. It's got everything.
The beach is literally, 2 minutes that way?
Yeah. They close that in the winter because it gets so cold. And the fatality rate, it goes 50 Fahrenheit, which is really, really cold. I we'd have to convert that. But apparently it doesn't really warm up, but in the winter it's icy cold, and a lot of people on average 7 die a year due to the coldness of the lake and the shock that it gives to the nervous system.
We were talking to that waitress last night. She said in the summer it doesn't get much warmer.
It doesn't get much warmer now. So what they do is the whole beach is just closed off. You can't get in the winter because it's just dangerous, which is a shame. It's not, obviously. I mean, it's a shame for the time of year we've come, because obviously they've closed it for a reason. Because the bears actually do go down the beach.
They do, don't they?
Yeah. Because it's a freshwater lake. It's not actually a beach.
But the whole place, the stay, everything's been wonderful. I've got a separate vlog for the meal we went to last night, Fire and Ice. Make sure you watch that. That's bonkers. And the little tour of Hahawas that we did first, where we got in trouble. I had to cut the video short in there because we got told off for filming. But other than that, we're going to go on to our next destination. So if you haven't already, please
like, subscribe, press that little notification button, and come along with myself, Lolly and Marky, and enjoy our Lolly and Marky show.
See you soon.